Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys why coding isn't just enough for a software engineer. I've seen many developers over the years and they're all about coding. They just want to sit somewhere and keep coding forever. But truth to be told, coding is only a very small percentage of the actual development work. Alright, number one, plan your code. Just as every other good thing in the world, a good code also needs to be pre-planned. I've seen many engineers jumping into solutions right away without designing. Don't do that. Because in the beginning, you may be able to just get away with it, but in the long run, you yourself will have to add new features and keep maintaining the project. In the process you're doing that, it'll be very hard if you don't have a good piece of extendable code in the beginning. So make sure you allocate enough time to come up with a design document. Alright, number two, code reviews. Most companies, especially startups, overlook this one because they think it affects for them to be able to get products out there quite fast. But truth to be told, when you don't really pay attention to code reviews, tech debt grows in just a matter of time. It affects the quality of the engineers over time as well. To be realistic, we developers can't consider everything on the planet when you're coming up with a code. So it takes another set of eyes to confirm everything and catch up on the mistakes that we make. So investing time on code reviews could be very beneficial to catch up on those early mistakes that might cost you in the long run. Alright, number three, be a good student. For us developers, the moment that we stop learning, our careers will head into a dead end. So make sure you have enough time to read those blogs, books, and keep being a good student, and have that mentality to keep reading and keep learning stuff always. Doesn't matter if it's in your free time or at the office, because you know what? Professional learning is a thing. That's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos next week. Peace.